Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. So today I will be doing um, um, shrimps in tin mackerel, shrimps and tin mackerel with white rice. So here's the tomatoes. These grounded seasoning are already washed. Guys, remember to wash your seasoning. So you have the tomatoes, the scallion, the sweet pepper, the scotch bonnet, and the carrots here. Shrimp already seasoned, so I will be um, deboning these guys to eliminate the rawness from your tin mackerel. You have to debone it and remove the guts from it, guys. So stay tuned as I'll soon come back with the rest. So guys, here is the bone and the guts which you should remove to eliminate the rawness. You can also add pieces of garlic to it to remove the rawness. Now I use Grace chunky mackerel tomato sauce. You can use the mackerel of your choice. If you're wondering why it's two different rice here I have white long grain rice and I have parboiled bone rice because I mix these two together. It gives a good nice flavor in shelliness. That's of my choice, my way of cooking rice most of the time. For those who don't like the straight parboiled rice, you can try this. You can try it. So I'm doing tin mackerel with a twist, my way. So guys, here you have the rice. This is a white oat rice, long grain white rice, parboiled brown rice. I blend it like this and I prepare it for washing, guys. Rice for me, I wash my rice like 5 times until I see the water. Okay guys, here you have the shrimp seasoned with a little bit of Maggi, fish seasoning, black pepper and salt, just a bit, guys. And if you know, seafood doesn't take long to marinate the seasoning. Okay guys, remember to like, share, comment and subscribe. So guys, so most people don't like brown rice. Here's a tip that works for me. You wash it repeatedly to get rid of some of the funny taste. As I said, I use long green brown rice, white rice with it to eliminate that taste that most people don't like. And you can add butter, a lot of butter. I know for most people that is not good. And to get that nice shelly rice, as you add your butter and your salt, you stir it and then you cover to cook. Guys, rice is steamed, so there and then you don't need high flames to cook your rice. Rice is cooked properly on low flame because rice is steamed, not cooked. Okay guys, there you have it. Oil is preheated, and I'm going to add these now. As I add these, then I will add this, then this, then this. That's how I do it. Those are my steps. Right guys, those are my steps. So guys, here you have it. It's so beautiful. Wow. Perfect. Here's the rice almost ready. So I'm going to add the shrimp now. Right, so as you know, as the heat touches the shrimp, they change color. You know, shrimp take like 5 minutes to cook. So I have to be mindful of what I am doing here. In the back rice, I'm going to add the mackerel. So there you have it guys. So in about the next 2 seconds, I will turn it off. So that is my thin mackerel with that twist. Okay guys, there you have it, finished guys. The aroma is to die for. Guys, remember to like, share, comment and subscribe guys to my YouTube channel guys. Okay guys, that's it for now. You know, more videos will be coming guys. Love you.